Good morning, y'all. Yes, it's morning. I made waffles last night and I forgot to do an intro. So, it is a collaboration for Sourdough October with Tammy from Mountain Grandma and Lisa from Yogi Hollow Farm. Check out the playlist. I know Lisa has one. I'm pretty sure Tammy does too. But anyway, I made waffles with my Amish Friendship Bread Starter. It is just another form of sourdough. And to me, it's easier to maintain because you don't have to feed it every day. It's like once every 5 days. You just stir it every day. But anyway, I made waffles. We had them for supper. They were very good. They are different. They don't taste like your traditional just pancake batter waffles. They have a sweeter, I don't know what you call it. It's a sweeter taste, but they are different, but very good. But anyway, on to the recipe. All the amounts are in. I give it all the amounts as I go along. And there you have it. Okay, we're going to start with 1 cup of flour. A half teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. A half a cup of oil. I'm going to stir my starter first. Okay, I need 2 cups of this. Half a cup of milk. 1 egg. Okay, we're going to mix this all up good. And the recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla. Trying to make sure there's not any lumps of flour in there. Okay. Raise the waffle iron. Okay.
Just put it in the middle.
I need a spoon to smear this around. Was it? Well, it's not stuck, it's just really soft. It's not filling it out. They ain't crunchy like normal ones. They're really soft. Can't get them out. This recipe made 5 waffles. Yes, I like butter. So good.